Alright guys, just received a phone call. Delivery guy. I received my birthday presents. Actually, it's a one present from my friends. It's freaking huge! Oh my! I didn't expect it, that it's so big. And as you understood, it's a exhaust. Woohoo! Can't bear it. So it's actually a really nice exhaust, made from stainless steel. I don't know, is it super loud or just loud? So I need to understand what I will do on a technical inspection. But I'm really happy, thanks to all my friends who chip in for this cool birthday gift. I was close to order it and they made a super cool surprise for me. So let's move forward and see what's gonna happen next. Welcome back again to Oak Brothers Garage, live with Porsche episode. I'm actually on my way to garage finally after 2 weeks of nothing, because in garage was quarantine due to the coronavirus, unfortunately. So I lost 2 weeks of building a Porsche, but during that time I received many parts, so it means that a lot of things could be done on the Porsche build. And I will show you when I will arrive to the garage what actually arrived. So stay tuned, grab a snack and enjoy the episode. I'm back in the garage and parts already on the table, so we can go quick through them. Bolts and nuts and washers, cables for handbrake, Zimmermann Sport rear brake discs, clutch bearing, it's a Brothers one, new spark plugs, finally the gas shocks, the parts which I need to replace on actual coilovers, oil for first start, it says like it's for Porsche, yeah, so I think this will be good for the first start. I actually started working on a brake disc, but unfortunately I forgot that handbrake is in, so I need everything for a handbrake then, and we can move forward. But if you want to know what brake disc I have, this is for a Turbo S2 brake disc, ventilated. Actually this is super heavy, it's a 7.7 kilos, so really heavy for a car, but this was the only one which I found with holes for the ventilation, because my front ones are ventilated. Yeah, so I decided to go for this. Yes, it's heavy, it's not good for performance, but what to do? Alright, I finally finished with the fuel hoses from engine to fuel lines. These, the return hose, and from fuel pump hose. I need to tighten this one. One thing, I need to connect wires to fuel pump to be sure that everything works. I can't wait to try to start the engine and be happy that everything runs. Oh yeah, maybe you saw the t-shirt. I made first t-shirt of my engine. This will be available in my store. You can find link down below in the description. So go grab, support me, and I will finish as soon as possible all the stuff on the Porsche build. Yeah, but now let's jump back to work. unpack the gas shocks cases, the new ones. I decided to try them on the knuckle, on the wheel knuckle, before I going to reassemble. I don't know, is it a joke or what from gas shocks, but they are not correct. Again, one more time, they send me the same cases as I have. This means, again, car will not gonna stand on the wheels, and I need to figure out somehow, maybe I will cut these and make myself another one and weld them again here and give for zinc plating. Yeah, again, bad luck with what to do. I need to focus on other things and go forward. Be careful with the orders, guys. Now I am heading to a warehouse where are my tires delivered, so it means that finally I have tires. I ordered Federal semi-slicks. Yeah, tires picked up. Holy moly, can't wait to touch them more. All right, I'm back in garage. I grabbed both front and rears. So, oh, and yeah, new day, new t-shirt color. So if you wanna grab a t-shirt, link down below, go check it out, get yours. Federal Extreme Performance 595 RS Pro model. Here you can see all the numbers. We have a hole in a fuel pump. Small leak under here, under the car. A new fuel pump. It's alive! Alright, I'm actually speechless that the engine is finally, after 3 years of building, is started up with the ease. No problem with anything, only we found some gas leakage from exhaust manifold. I think it could be a one fuel injector, which I need to remove and give for a test, because as I changed the sealings, the filters inside a fuel injector, one was leaking a bit, like a tiny bit. So let's move on, work on the next things to be sure that car will soon be drivable. Alright, another package to receive from gas shocks, and finally they fit. So thanks everyone who is watching my episodes. I really appreciate everyone which is giving me thumbs up, also writes a comment saying good words about my project, about everything, how it's happening. This motivates me to do such a things, build this car. Engine startup was also a huge milestone to achieve. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe my channel to be sure that you will not gonna miss any new episodes. Go check it out, link in the description, grab your t-shirt, support my build, and see you in next episodes of Live with Porsche.